The Rraycom Solar Security Cameras offer seamless wireless setup with dual-band Wi-Fi, making it easy to install and use without any technical expertise. These cameras are equipped with high-efficiency solar panels and a long-lasting battery, ensuring continuous power even during cloudy days, which is ideal for maintaining security without frequent recharging. Featuring advanced motion detection, these cameras send instant alerts to your phone, allowing you to customize the detection area and sensitivity so you never miss a critical moment. The two-way audio feature enables real-time communication with visitors or intruders, keeping you connected and in control no matter where you are. Built to withstand all weather conditions, the IP65 rated cameras are designed for durability, ensuring your property is protected year-round, regardless of the weather. With both cloud and local storage options, you can securely access your footage without any monthly fees, making it a cost-effective solution for home security.